What's up guys? So I just did my pre-order for the 12 Pro Max and a couple other goodies. So in my pre-order here, I got the 12 Pro Max 128GB in graphite. I was really stuck between Pacific Blue and graphite, but I was like, Pacific Blue looks really nice right now, but then I feel like in, 2 months time, I'm not going to like it as much and I'm going to wish I got graphite. So I just went with graphite. I was like, this is a safe option. I know I'm going to like it no matter what. And then, if I really want blue, then maybe next year I can get blue if it comes back again or whatever. But I think the graphite looks really good. Then I got the black silicone case, which is the first silicone case that I've ever gotten from Apple. I've never had one in my whole life, believe it or not, so I'm excited for those, even though I hear that they wear down kind of quickly. Then you can see at the bottom of my order here, I got a 20-watt USB-C adapter because I need one as it does not come with the phone. And then I got a HomePod Mini in space gray. So all these things are going to be unboxed and reviewed on the channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'll be picking up the phone in about a week's time. And yeah, super excited to upgrade from my iPhone XR, but that's how the pre-order went. I finished my pre-order at 8:03 a.m. Eastern time, and the link only opened up at maybe like 8 o'clock in like 30 seconds or something. So I flew through my order, made sure I got everything that I wanted before anything sells out, and super pumped. So lots of videos to come. Make sure you subscribe for all of those, but that's how my pre-order went. Let me know how your order went down below, if you guys got the 12 mini or the 12 Pro Max or HomePod Mini as well. But that is it for this video, guys. Lots of content to come, so I will see you guys in the next video.